A guy on a G310R, feeling totally down, rolls up to his doctor's office. He slumps into the chair and says, "Doc, I'm really depressed. I don't know what to do." The doctor looks at him, nods slowly, and says, "Wait right here." He grabs a prescription pad and starts scribbling something down. After a moment, he takes the sheet, folds it, and hands it to the writer. "Here," he says, "take this. It's the best medicine I can offer." The writer, a bit confused, takes the paper. He unfolds it, and written in bold letters are just 3 simple words: "Ride your bike."
Promise you you'll catch me later.